Yes, now we are discussing about countries. In that today we are discussing about the country Tajikistan. Tajikistan is a country in Central Asia surrounded by Afghanistan, China, Kyrgyzstan and Uzbekistan. It is known for rugged mountains, popular for hiking and climbing. The Fan Mountains near the national capital Dushanbe have snow have snow-capped peaks that rise over 5,000 meters. The range encompasses the Iskandarjikuli Glusky Nature Refuge, a notable bird habitat named for Iskandar Kul, a turquoise lake formed by glaciers. And the capital city of Tajikistan is Dushanbe, and the currency is Tajikistan Somoni. Population is 96 lakhs approximate, and official language is Tajiki. Is it safe to travel to Tajikistan? The US next point is it safe to travel to Tajikistan? The US embassy recommends the US citizens reconsider travel near and along Tajikistan's border with Afghanistan. US citizens should remain alert and avoid activities that develop predictable patterns of movement. If documenting travel on social media, please ensure your privacy settings are appropriately set. Is Tajikistan part of Russia? Tajikistan was a constituent republic of the Soviet Union from 1929 until its independence in 1991. Next point is Tajikistan worth visiting? Tajikistan is a beautiful country in Central Asia, even though it may not be your first choice when planning a trip abroad. It is a perfect destination for all nature lovers. One of the most surprising things about Tajikistan is that over half of its land lies at an altitude of over 3,000 meters above the sea level. And the next point is what is the religion of Tajikistan? That is Muslim. According to local academies, the country is 90% Muslims, and of which the majority adheres to Sunni Muslims. Approximately 4% of Muslims are Ismaili Shia, the majority of whom reside in the Badakhshan autonomous region located in the eastern part of the country. Next point is Tajikistan part of NATO? Tajikistan signed a transit agreement with NATO in 2004 for their protection. And the next point is Tajikistan a US ally? Tajikistan has been a strong partner to the United States and international forces in efforts to bring security and stability to the South and Central Asia region. How much is the visa fee for Tajikistan? Your e-visa to Tajikistan costs $31. And the next point is how strong is the Tajikistan passport? The Tajikistani passport is currently ranked 86th among global passports according to the Guide Passport Ranking Index. And next point is how many countries can Tajikistan visit without visa? 60 destinations. Altogether, Tajikistan passport holders can enter a total of 60 destinations either without a visa, through a visa on arrival, or via an ETA. As a result, the Tajikistan passport ranks 86 in the world. What is the climate like in Tajikistan? The climate in Tajikistan is quite varied, but generally does not offer extreme climatic conditions. It is cold, wet, and some nice summer months are also present. The warmest and rainiest part of the country is Katlon. The coldest is Gorno Badakhshan, And next point is, what is the best time to visit Tajikistan? The time frame may bit anywhere from June to September is a good time to visit Tajikistan for the people's purpose. And next point is, what is the most popular food in Tajikistan? Tajik meat dishes. Lamb is most popular, followed by beef, horse meat, and goat meat. Poultry is rarely served, but when it is there, then chicken and less often partridge and quail meat is used. Grilled kebabs made from lamb or beef are a favorite national food in Tajikistan. And next point is, what is Tajikistan known for? Tajikistan is among the countries with the greatest potential for hydroelectric power in the world. And most of the electric power generated in Tajikistan is hydroelectric. Some of the fast-flowing mountain streams have been exploited as hydroelectric power sources. So, Tajikistan is the best example for hydroelectric power saving. So this is the information regarding Tajikistan known for. And why I did this video is, those who are interesting to talk, those who are interesting to go to Tajikistan for education purpose or business purpose or for traveling purpose, they should know the basic fundamentals. For that purpose only I did this video. Wishing you all the best.